A quick video of this little 91 Chevrolet we did. It's jokingly I call it a sheep in wolf's clothing because she looks tough. She looks mean. It's got a nice drop on it, SS wheels, brand new Firehawks, 454 SS stickers with the kit, and it's got new paint, new interior, new brakes, new shocks. Bed liner's brand new. The kicker is though, she's a V6 5-speed truck. We're just gonna give you a quick tour, but it runs out good, shifts out good. It's got clutch is new, motor's been gasketed, and oil's changed regular. And we had intentions of putting an LS in this truck, and it just runs too good. It runs like a top. Cold air. You know, she's a base truck, but you'd have to spend 50-60 grand to get the real deal. So this is a good alternative to that. Yeah, take that.